Alright, so join me as I dive deep into the future of the Pi Network Marketplace and try to predict what's next for this exciting platform. The Pi Network Marketplace is a game changer in the world of cryptocurrency and e-commerce, offering a decentralized platform for users to buy and sell goods and services. This marketplace is built on the Pi Network, a mobile-first platform that allows users to mine cryptocurrency on their devices. The significance of the Pi Network Marketplace lies in its ability to provide a seamless and secure way for users to transact with each other. With its user-friendly interface and robust security features, the Pi Network Marketplace has the potential to disrupt the traditional e-commerce industry. The Pi Network has been gaining popularity over the past few years with millions of users worldwide. Its journey so far has been marked by significant milestones, including the launch of its mobile app and the establishment of a strong community of users. The Pi Network has set the stage for the upcoming marketplace by providing a solid foundation for decentralized transactions. Its mission is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, and the marketplace is a key part of this vision. As the Pi Network continues to grow and evolve, it's likely that the marketplace will play an increasingly important role in its ecosystem. The Pi Network was founded by a team of Stanford University graduates who were passionate about making cryptocurrency more accessible to everyone. They developed a unique algorithm that allows users to mine cryptocurrency on their mobile devices, making it possible for anyone to participate in the network. The Pi Network has been growing rapidly, with new users joining every day. Its community is active and engaged, with many users contributing to the development of the network. The Pi Network has also partnered with several organizations to promote the adoption of cryptocurrency and support the development of its ecosystem. The development of the Pi Network Marketplace is a significant step forward for the platform. It will provide users with a seamless and secure way to buy and sell goods and services using the Pi cryptocurrency. The marketplace will be decentralized, meaning that users will be able to transact with each other directly, without the need for intermediaries. This will make transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. The Pi Network Marketplace will also provide a range of features, including a user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and a reputation system to ensure that users can trust each other. So the Pi Network Marketplace is going to roll out in several phases. The first phase? It's all about building the foundation, developing the platform's infrastructure. That means creating a decentralized network, crafting a really user-friendly interface, and of course putting in place some solid security measures. Then comes the second phase, where the actual marketplace launches, complete with a whole bunch of features and services. The Pi Network team is seriously working around the clock to get this live as soon as possible, but yeah, they're also making sure it hits the highest standards of quality and security. The Pi Network Marketplace is going to shake things up in the crypto world, no doubt about it. It's introducing a whole new way for folks to buy and sell goods and services using cryptocurrency. And that's pretty huge. This kind of platform could really push crypto into the mainstream. Plus, users are going to see some real perks, like lower transaction fees, faster processing times, and better security overall. And for merchants, it opens up a brand new audience and a real chance to boost sales. The Pi Network team is all in on making this marketplace a real success. They're working super closely with the community to make sure it not only meets their needs, but actually goes beyond what people expect. On top of that, they're teaming up with a bunch of organizations to help spread the word and support the growth of the Pi Network ecosystem. These partnerships, they're key. They'll help boost the platform's visibility and bring in a wave of new users. The Pi Network Marketplace will be a major player in the e-commerce industry, providing a new way for users to buy and sell goods and services. It'll be a decentralized platform, meaning that users will be able to transact with each other directly, without the need for intermediaries. This will make transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. The marketplace will also provide a range of features, including a user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and a reputation system to ensure that users can trust each other. One of the key features of the Pi Network Marketplace will be its focus on community. The platform will provide a range of tools and services to help users connect with each other and build relationships. This will include a messaging system, a forum, and a range of social media groups. The Pi Network team is committed to building a strong and active community, where users can share their experiences and support each other. The Pi Network Marketplace will also provide a range of benefits for merchants. They will be able to reach a new audience and increase their sales using the Pi cryptocurrency. The marketplace will also provide a range of tools and services to help merchants manage their businesses, including a payment processing system, a shipping system, and a range of marketing tools. So, as the Pi Network Marketplace continues to grow and evolve, it's likely that it's going to have a pretty significant impact on the whole cryptocurrency landscape. It'll offer a new way for users to buy and sell goods and services using crypto, which is, honestly, a big deal. This kind of thing can really help push cryptocurrency adoption forward, making it way more mainstream. Plus, the marketplace brings a bunch of benefits for users, like lower transaction fees, quicker transaction times, and yeah, better security too. So, the Pi Network team is really working hard to make sure the marketplace launches as soon as possible, but also that it meets, the highest standards of quality and security. They're super committed to building a strong, active community, one where users can share their experiences and support each other along the way. And hey, they're also teaming up with several organizations to help promote adoption of the Pi Network and support the growth of its ecosystem. In the words of the Pi Network's founder, the Pi Network Marketplace is a game changer for the cryptocurrency industry. It will provide a new way for users to buy and sell goods and services using cryptocurrency. That quote really highlights just how significant the Pi Network Marketplace is, and yeah, its potential to disrupt the traditional e-commerce industry is pretty huge. So, in conclusion, the Pi Network Marketplace is definitely a major step forward. Not just for the Pi Network itself, but for the entire cryptocurrency industry. It's going to give users a brand new way to buy and sell goods and services using crypto. And since the marketplace will be decentralized, that means users can transact directly with each other without needing any intermediaries. Pretty cool, right? The Pi Network Marketplace is honestly one of the most exciting developments in the crypto space right now, and its potential impact really shouldn't be underestimated. As it continues to grow and evolve, it's likely to have a big influence on the entire cryptocurrency landscape. To stay up to date with the latest developments on the Pi Network Marketplace, be sure to check out my other videos. I'll be sharing regular updates and insights into the crypto world, including everything going on with the Pi Network and its ecosystem. And hey, if you've got any thoughts on the Pi Network Marketplace, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think and have a great discussion about the potential impact of this awesome new platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and the Pi Network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.